Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amal's Academy. So today in this tutorial we are discussing about a program, that is we want to find out all the index of duplicate values in the list. Alright. So first of all, to find out the index of any element in the list, we can use the index method. So if I take a list, so now if I want to find out the index of 3, then I can mention print list1 dot index and I can mention 3 here. Okay, so it will print the index. If I save this and run this, it will print 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is present at the index 3. So we can use this index method. It is very simple. But if the list contains duplicate value, then this index method will give the index of the first occurrence of that element. So that is nothing but, if I take 1, okay, so here we can see this list contains duplicate values. And now if I want to find out the index of 1, so if I save this and run this, so here we can see the index 1. So it is the first occurrence of this element. It won't print this index. But if I want to print all the index of duplicate values, then how to print that? So there are many ways for that. But here we'll use the list comprehension method. It is a very simple method. So for that, here I'll just take list 2. Okay, so I'll store the result in the list, and here to use the list comprehension method we need to use this square brackets. Next, for I in range length of list 1. So this is simple. Here we are printing the index, right? Range length of list 1 is nothing but 0 to length of list 1. So here list 1 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So range will become 0 to 8. Okay, so we'll get in the list 2 as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the index of these elements. Okay, if I print list 2, so here we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the index of these elements. Here we can see, right? So now I want to print all the index of this duplicate element. Okay, if I'm taking the element as 1, then I want to print 1, 2, 3 as index of element 1. So for that I'll take the if condition here. If list 1 of I is equal to 1. Okay, so that is nothing but need to print the index where this condition satisfies. So when list 1 of I becomes 1, then store that index here in the list 2. So now if I save this and run this, here we can see 1, 2, 3. That is the index here, 1, 2, 3. So if I take 5 here, it will print 5 and 7 here. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 is present in 5 and 7. Okay, so this list comprehension method will give the index of duplicate values, or we can say all the index of duplicate values. So that's about this program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.